Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 3 of this car dealership. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add exterior and interior wall. Now we're going to continue working on this. And right here, what we're going to do is we're going to close this off. I'm going to select this wall and then CS. And here it's around 5,000. Select this. I'm gonna put in around 2,000. And we can pull this one off and create this one. CS on this. We're going to divide this now, so I'm gonna add a wall right here, and this wall is around 1,800, and I'm just going to push this one right about here, and then this one right there. This is just an opening, so I could open this one off. This is from the stairs going outside, going on this side and on this side. This is just an elevator right here, and then we're going to add walls right here, and we're gonna put it at 3,600 each. So copy 3,600, then 3,600 again. And here we're just going to leave this one at 42, around 4,300 for this, the last one. And then here it's supposed to be around 7,500 from this wall. 7,500 going there, and then we're going to add 2,600, 2,650 right here, and then just closing it off like there. And then we're going to have an opening here, so we could just trim this off like so, and then a wall opening here just for a small cafeteria right here, so we could just open this that one later on. This one is just a big office. It will be an open concept office, so we could just put in glass around or a wall opening as well. This will be another open office, and then here will be some of the cars that they're gonna showcase and the bullpens around it. This will be the universal washroom. Stairs right here. There's going to be another set of offices around at the back right here, and also right here. And then now let's add in one more here. This will be around, I'm gonna set this one right here at this, so right here I'm gonna grab that. This will be around 6,400, and for the depth I want it to be 2,400, sorry, 4,800. And then close it off. This will be 11128, and this will be the storage, equipment storage for this area, and we're gonna give it some space, some opening. And then here we will also have another set. This will be around 3,000 depth. Going around here, we're going to create some opening right there, another office, and then here will be this will be an area for some customer to ask. So we will have this one around 2000, and then here we will have 1600, and then this will be 1600 as well. So you guys can follow. And another washroom right here beside we will have stairs right here on this side. So select here, I'm gonna connect this one right here, and this will be 6600, and the thickness, I'm going to select this one and put it right there. It should be around 2300. So here we could actually just move this one right about here, and then we could actually just align this one so that it's easier, and then we could just divide them all together. This one, let's just make it 1500. We have enough space here for some customers to come in. CM CS, this will be 65 70 right here, and then we could have a washroom right here, and we could put it at 3650, and then we just have some space here. We could pull this one out. This will be around 3500 right there. So we have enough space to go around. I'm gonna open this one out like so, just halfway of this CS, and then give it some space around 2000 so that we could have a door there. This one should be around 1300, and then we could go outside here and then here as well. And we're just going to have some storage around here. We have enough space, so just put it 3500 and then just close it off. So you could just align it from this wall, and we're good on that. So in order for us to visualize it properly, I would like to add a door. So let's go to insert, load family, and then click on doors. Let's just use commercial for now, and let's see if we have something that is good for now to add. We could do like this one, full tilt, click on open, select everything, hold on shift and select below, and then press OK. It's just saying that, are you sure you want to load everything? And yes, we are. We could just type in DR, and then 750 is the one that we can add right now. Let's do 900 by 2000. So we have an opening here, a door opening right there. Let's add in garage later on, but here we have a storage, so we could just add it right here. Fortunately, we need to align it right here so that we have access. So here we need to be consistent with the spacing. So we have storage there, we have an access right here, and then another access right here on this side, and then another exit door right here. We have the elevator right about there, and then the office, we're going to just simply add doors so that you guys can visualize what I'm trying to do here. The location of the offices, and then here we have opening for here and another office right about here, and then we have washroom right here, opening or exit door for the stairs right here, and then here to have it on this side, and then there's a stairs here. We have an opening door right about here, and then let's put in a garage door. We have a door right here. I'm going to select that again to change the size, so to make it smaller, and then select here CS. We have an open wall opening here, so I'm gonna select that, click on that. We have wall opening here because we could have a kitchenette here, and then another wall opening, select here. This is just a wall, an open basically an open area, open office, and then here we could just select here and then just add a door for the washroom. So I'm just double checking what are we missing here, double checking everything. If we added enough, we will also have washroom for the lounge here because we have a lounge area right about here. This is around 7,000. Let's put it all the way to 4L. So here from this side of the wall to 4L, and then here let's just add a wall again. This wall is up to 2243. Close it off like there, and then another one connecting that 155. Let's make it 1560, and then just an opening there. Select that, click on open wall, and we could just add an opening there, and around 3600 opening, and that's just for the individual washroom. So we're gonna add it there, and this one is around 4,800. So we're just gonna divide that. We're going to add walls right there and walls there. Select all of them. I just want it to be at least 23, 24, I believe. Yeah, around 24. So that's good enough. So those are the washroom for the lounge area, and then here we could just have an opening for the lounge, and then select that TR, and then we could just select it again to create an wall opening. Select here, wall opening again. So those are just some openings for the wall. It's not close, but there are walls there, and then we could add in some pillars later on. So later on as well, why not let's add the seating here. So go back to the main, go to furniture, seating, and let's add this kind of seating right here, CM. So add Gorbo seating, and then let's just add multiple of those. And then here as well, we could just add right here, and then here in front of it. And then we're going to add some end tables, and then here is where some seating as well. And then let's add seating here. There we go. And then we're going to add some doors, or we could add doors now. And then let's insert the garage door. Since we're here already, click on door, and then let's look for garage door. Let's see if we have it right here. I don't think we have it, only in residential, but we could just use that for now. If we find a better one, we will use it. So for now, let's open this CM, sorry, DR for door, just it's a system. And then we're going to add it on the other side, going right there. So we're gonna space it out, and let's see how big this one is. I'm gonna make sure to change the width. Instead of 2400, let's make it 3000 for now on all of them, so that the spacing, there's enough spacing to go around. We can push this one right here, and then let's leave some space on the side here. And we could also have a door here, and then a door right here on this side. Let's add the overhead as well right here. I'm planning to add a car so that we could just see how it looks. There we go. So everything is aligned all together. Using your align AL, you can align them all together. So let's stop here for now and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.